Good morning, everyone. My name is Fu, and we will present our proposal on improving environmental sustainability at Griffith University through behavior-focused solution. According to data from the Week 7 industry workshop, around 41% of campus waste still goes to landfill, while only 39% is recycled. This suggests that Griffith current waste diversion system is not operating effectively. One major issue is contamination in recycling bin. Incorrectly disposed items such as coffee cup, paper towel, and food waste can cause entire recycling loss to be redirected to landfill. Using a theory of chat approach, we identified that this issue not only environmental but also behavioral. Many students rely on takeaway food and drink because of busy study schedule. As a result, single-use packaging becomes the most convenient option and generates a large amount of waste on campus. At the same time, waste sorting is not always straightforward. When being shipped it unclear or students are unsure where an item belongs. They often choose the quickest option rather than the correct one. This increases contamination in recycling bins. Social influence also plays an important role. Research suggests that students are more likely to adopt sustainable behavior when they see those behavior being practiced by others around them. However, when incorrect disciple becomes common, it can unintentionally reinforce poor recycling habits. These factors show that the problem is not simply a lack of recycling infrastructure. Instead, it is driven by everyday behavior, convenience, and decision-making patterns that influence how waste is managed across.
Our first solution is a targeted sustainability awareness campaign. This campaign aims to improve student understanding of proper recycling behavior through simple and visually engaging communication. Information will be displayed through digital screen, social media platforms, and visual signage. Signage in high traffic areas such as cafe, lecture buildings, and food outlets. Research suggests that communication campaigns can positively influence student attitudes and behavioral intention when the information is connected to their everyday lives. The second solution is an incentive and reward program designed to encourage sustainable behavior through small and but meaningful rewards. Students who use reusable coffee cups or correctly separate their weight can receive discounts or reward points at campus cafe. This strategy helps to integrate sustainability into student daily routines and make environmentally responsible behavior more attractive and rewarding. By linking sustainability with immediate benefits, the university can have reduced the gap between intention and action. The final solution focuses on behavioral nudges within the campus environment. This includes improved bin placement, color-coded waste system, and visual guidance such as arrows and footprints to direct students toward correct possible disposal practices. Recycling bins should also be positioned next to general waste bins in busy areas to improve convenience and accessibility. Behavioral research show that many small environmental changes can significantly influence decision making by making sustainable choices easier and more convenient.
Although these solutions are realistic, several challenges may affect implementation. Firstly, some students may continue ignoring recycling guidelines because convenience is often prioritized over sustainability. Since recycling behavior is already shaped by daily habits, long-term change is unlikely to happen immediately. Secondly, budget and operational limitation may restrict large-scale implementation. During the workshop, McRae explained that waste sorting and contamination management can be both costly and labor-intensive. To overcome these challenges, our proposal focuses on improving existing system rather than introducing expensive new infrastructure. The awareness campaign used existing communication channels, while behavioral nurtures and reward programs are designed to make sustainable choices easier and more attractive. By reducing effort for students and keeping implementations cost relative low, this strategy increases the likelihood of long-term adoption and behavioral change.
In conclusion, our proposal combines awareness campaigns, reward system, and behavioral design strategies to improve waste management outcomes at Griffith University by addressing both behavioral and social factors. The solution aims to create a realistic, practical, and long-term environmental improvements across the campus communi- community. Small behavioral changes today can contribute to a more sustainable future for Griffith University. Thank you for listening.